What happens when you combine the power of a top-tier cloud service with a robust e-commerce platform? Today, we're exploring the awesome combination of Amazon Web Services and Magento. Stick around! AWS Magento hosting ensures fast delivery of website content, providing a seamless shopping experience. It can easily handle an increase in website traffic without performance issues. AWS provides reliable and secure Magento hosting infrastructure, so you can be assured of your e-commerce data's safety. Did you know AWS employs load balancers and auto-scaling to increase server capacity smoothly? This helps in avoiding major downtimes. Companies like Siemens, Netflix, and BMW Group are already leveraging the benefits of AWS hosting. Managed hosting takes care of server management, software upgrades, and security. This allows you to focus on growing your business. Choosing a reliable hosting provider involves VPS plans, managed hosting, proactive security measures, cost transparency, and high availability setup. Before opting for Magento hosting, check platform prerequisites like web servers, database version, required PHP extensions, valid SSL certificate, and more. MGT Commerce provides top-of-the-line Magento hosting solutions on the AWS Cloud. It specializes in reliable infrastructure, performance-focused servers, 24/7 technical support, Magento security, optimized hosting for Magento, and cost-effective solutions. To sum things up, AWS Magento hosting plays a pivotal role in enhancing the performance of your Magento store. What's important is choosing a reliable service provider who can deliver optimal performance. That wraps up our session on AWS Magento hosting. Thanks for joining us in this conversation today. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button. Also, if you still need to, subscribe to our channel so you can experience our latest Magento episodes. See you in the next one.